Hey, today I'm gonna learn Python from a free course from Software Carpentry. So if you go to the internet, you type in this address in, which is swcarpentry.github.io Python novice inflammation index. It's gonna bring you to this page. So this is a free Python course, and I'm gonna learn the whole course from here. So let's get started. So I'm gonna put my browser aside on the left here, and I'm gonna create a folder which is I put the content and the code in here, and here is the video that I recorded from this course. And so I'm gonna run the watchdog, so that means it's gonna process the video when I save any new video in there. So let's get started. So firstly, go to the side here. What I can see here is that it's gonna show me some introduction. So it says that the best way to learn to program is to do something useful. I think it's true. And in this course, we're going to learn something useful by working with real data that they go build around a common scientific task, data analysis. So in this course, we're going to look at inflammation in patients, which is completely new thing to me because I'm working in mapping. I'm not in this kind of field. So let's see how it goes. And we want to use Python to solve problem in this kind of field. The input data that we are gonna work with is comma separated values, which is CSV format. So the data is looking like this here. So it says that each number represents the number of inflammation about bouts that a particular patient experience on a given day. An example here is value 6 at the row 3, column 7. Row, I guess I'm going to enlarge a little bit. So row 3 here and column 7 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of the data set above means that the third patient was experiencing inflammation 6 times on the 7th day of the clinical study. So that means the row 3, which is the third patient, and the column 7, that means the day number 7 of the study. So we got in total here probably 30, 8, 9, 10, maybe, yeah, more than 30. And what we're gonna do is to calculate the average inflammation per day across all patients. So each data row is a patient. So we're gonna do that for every single row. And then we're gonna plot the results to discuss and share with colleagues. So we're gonna use Python to answer those questions. We got some prerequisites here. We need to understand the concepts of files and directories, and we also need to understand how to start a Python interpreter. So if you go to my channel, which is Python, MATLAB, and GS, type in YouTube. You go to my channel here. You're gonna see going down there. You're gonna see a Python 3 new course, and inside this new course, you're gonna see a playlist Python 3 new course. It have a couple of video. So like if you like to use for example PyCharm as your editor. You just type in PyCharm here, and you're gonna see a list of video related to PyCharm. So I got a couple of videos here relating to PyCharm. So here, this video is gonna show you.
Hi, welcome back to PyCharm Python with different Python instance in mind.
So in this video, you can see that how you can use PyCharm interpreter, PyCharm editor to run Python. If you don't like PyCharm, you like maybe Anaconda, so you can install up and running Anaconda with Spider for an Jupyter notebook. So you're gonna use this video.
Welcome back. First we need to load on
yeah, so if you like Anaconda, you can use this video, and it's gonna show you how to use this. And if you don't like Anaconda, you can use, I think, Visual Studio Code. So here is a first time. It's a video about first time install and use Visual Studio Code for Python coding. So it's gonna show you how to use Visual Studio Code as well. And actually in my channel you can have a bit more. Even if you like Notepad++, you can find a video about Notepad++ here. How to use Notepad++ to run Python script and prepare Python script. So coming back to there, what else that we need to do in order to start the lesson? So that's it. So the next video we're gonna look at how to do some setup before we can start the lesson.